What's wrong, my lady?
So we're here in Clovis, California, and we're just we're investigating a faucet leak underneath here. And so the faucet is loose up here. This faucet is loose, and so we're gonna get it tightened up. But also underneath, we've got some corrosion. And so if you look at this right here, you can see that the tailpiece, it's similar to a tailpiece, same thing you'd use over here, that goes and ties the garbage disposal over to the sink waste. Look at the corrosion here. So you can see all of that going on. And then it appears that the tubing has been collapsed or broken. So I bet you if we took that apart, you would see a big problem there. And then you can see the rust coming down. And the dishwasher is running right now. We don't see any active water on this pointed connection, but you've got a bunch of water in the cabinet, and of course that could be from the faucet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with getting this dried up, and then get up there, see if we can get the faucet tightened up, and then investigate this a little bit further. And honestly, this right here, I think you need a new disposal. If not today, then rather quickly. And I'll let you decide, but if you take a look at that, you can take a look at the video, or you just pop your head down here and look yourself. You can see that's in pretty bad shape. So anyways, we're gonna get down here, get this dried up, and then go ahead and get the faucet tightened up if we can reach up there, and then I'll take another video when we're done.